What if 8% gamit ko for the first and second quarter, but nung third and fourth, bigla nang lumaki, kita, lagpas sa 3 million total lahat. Pwede pa rin 8%? The answer is no, hindi na po. Ang 8% is para lang sa 3 million and below annual income. So yung first and second quarter mo, ginamit mo si 8%, wala namang problema yon. Pero ikaw mismo, as the taxpayer, ang guideline ni BIR, pag alam mong magiging vatable taxpayer ka na. Ano yung vatable taxpayer? Again, 3 million ang threshold. Alam mong lalagpas ka na, or pagdating ng third quarter, ano ba yung start ng third quarter, di ba? July, August, and September. For example, July pa lang, lumagpas ka na ng 3 million. Ang third quarter mo na is magiging VAT taxpayer ka na. I-update mo na yung BIR registration mo from non-VAT to VAT taxpayer. Magpaparegister ka na rin ng bago mong resibo na VAT OR. So, ganun siya. And then, ang compliance mo na is para sa VAT taxpayer na. If you are a freelancer at meron kang concern or question regarding freelancers BIR registration and freelancers tax compliance, comment mo lang yan at sasagutin ko yan.